Morning, how are you?
I'm good, y'all.
Good, thank you. Those are some nice Ariats right there.
What?
Those are some like brand new Ariats.
Oh, yeah!
How much is it?
$1.75.
Oh, we did it again! Put the wheels in.
No, I actually don't. I'll just give her $2. Thank you.
Have a good sale. Here's the recording.
We really didn't need. It's starting to warm up now. It feels good.
Good.
Yeah, it feels really good. That sun feels great.
I like it. Lots of fabric. How much are the overalls? The overall?
3.
3? Hi, honey. Some overalls. $3? Dickies? They're Dickies.
I saw this final.
What? All right, we'll definitely get some games then.
Okay. This is. I don't know if you wanted to add that
It is
to
a
our.
horror movie. I mean, I'm sure there's a ton in here. Honestly,
Yeah.
there's Saw over there.
We already have Saw. We have that exact one.
There's a bunch. There's a bunch of UFC fights.
What's this? Did you look in here? Ultimate
That's
Avengers 2.
not good.
Okay.
It's just a burned disc.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna hand you the ones.
Okay. Well, I'll just.
I don't know about this skate one. But like we were saying, for $1.
What's that thing?
Just Dance.
That looks special.
I know. I didn't look it up because I had my phone on me.
Yeah. Oh, I'll use Just Dance for exercise.
Oh, what the?
Oh, and I got this Oregon Trail game.
Oh, that's cool. Didn't we just get Halo 3?
Yeah, it's worthless.
And then, would you take the Zumba fitness too for your?
No, because you have to have a Zumba belt. There's a Samsung.
You do?
Yeah, there's a Samsung JVC.
So are these worth it? The Zumba's any good?
No, I mean it's not. No,
These ones.
this is selling for like.
Yeah, I saw that. I was gonna ask you to check that.
$50 including shipping. Let's see what the
Movies.
like $50 on that. So
I set that there for you to scan it if you would.
oh.
On my phone. Left it charging accidentally. Have you seen Saw? You know what I'm saying? It's because there's like another copy.
This is not worth. This is like $6.99.
Okay. This is like Saw 4.
We have that Saw, that one right there. We have that one at home, but you can get Saw 4 if you want to.
That's the original one. Yeah. Here's 4. Here's Prom Night.
This is like $7. I mean, do you think they give us a bulk rate? Because $1 kind of a lot.
It is?
I don't know. I don't remember pay like.
I don't know. They might. They might.
How much for your racing wheel accessory?
How much did you take for the racing thing?
$50. Okay, yeah.
And it goes on all of the Xbox, PlayStation, and Wii.
Okay, thanks.
Check these because they have a whole bunch of these UFC ones, and I don't know if these are worth it or not. And then here's King of the Cage. I'm just not sure on those.
Yeah, no, not at all.
They're no.
No. Maybe you could do a big lot, but
Minute to win it.
yeah. No, that's like $5. It's shipped.
I figured. That's why we check. But let's look through here. See if if you find anything.
See if there's anything like
There's
really.
Ghostbusters too, but that's not really a.
No. There's another game right here.
There's a Blu-ray.
Are these yours? Oh yeah.
These are our stack. Yeah. All right, check that one too. That's a pride fighting one. That one's actually, those are better. But it's probably not. But I don't want to leave something that could be. Just depends on where they air them anymore.
This one's not showing up.
It's Friday the 13th. There's another Pride.
This is just not showing up. Why am I holding that?
It's weird that it's... Stacks are shifting.
Good job, Marcus.
Soul Survivors. I'm finding a whole bunch of them.
Wow, with Eliza Dushku.
Here's World War Z. I mean, there's probably a ton of horror movies in here.
Oh, I'm sure.
Let's see what the sale is. Jack Reacher, Dark Blue.
Do you want me to keep looking for horror? Because I've already passed some up. I mean, here's Final Destination. Here's Vampire Hunter.
I've been putting things down there. I just don't know.
Here's Leprechaun, Wishmaster, Pumpkinhead. I don't know. Why don't you want to just ask if we get a whole bunch, would they give us a deal?
Yeah. Here's your stack. Your thing.
Ooh, Cocoon. 30 grandpa.
Here's your, what's that line here? Yeah, I didn't check all of the things. There's Twilight, but that's not really.
No, I wouldn't.
That is not.
Vin Diesel and the Pacifier.
There's another Final
One of the best movies of all time.
There's Underworld.
Is this not the same thing? Final Destination 3?
I don't know. It's weird. Why is it two different things? Must be something about it.
This one feels heavier. Let's get that one. Saw 2. Saw 2, baby.
Oh yeah. Californication. First season.
Whoa. Sorority row. This is a Blu-ray. What do you think about mixing Blu-rays in?
Yeah, I don't know about that. I was saying that earlier. Oh look.
Nice.
That's it. It's probably definitely worth a dime.
Yeah.
Ooh, there's just so many. So many.
Hey, honey, here's Jesus.
There's another Blu-ray. I don't know if you were getting them or not.
No, I'm not.
You said here's Jesus?
Yeah, the movie Jesus.
Is it really again?
I'm not kidding
How
you.
many did they make? My Bloody Valentine 3D.
Lake Placid.
What is Frankenfish? Is that looks like a horror movie.
That looks silly.
Doesn't it?
Death Proof. What's that? Is that like a Quentin Tarantino kind of thing? Exorcist.
I think I've looked through all of them now.
Yeah.
So how many movies?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
22?
Yeah,
Is that what you
22.
got?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I don't know. Okay, so we're definitely gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5, so $9. And then we have 22 horror movies over there. Would you give us a deal on getting
There's
that
22?
many? Yeah.
I guess just 18.
Okay.
This one, this.
Yeah, plus these.
Okay.
So 8. So
Did y'all get anything right here? Any movies right there?
I don't think so.
Okay. So 9, or is it gonna all be together?
Yes.
Okay. So 25. It
Okay.
should be 30. So that's 25. Yeah.
Okay, that sounds good. Thank you.
So.
Thank
You
you.
want to put it? I can feel this. This
Oh,
one
yeah,
can
yeah,
have
we
a
can
little
do
more
that.
in there.
Let's see.
Oh,
Oh no. The
Every
wind
time.
got it. Thank you.
Okay, thank y'all. Have a good day.